Hello, dear friends. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian healing technique where all the negative emotions that is there with us are released. So, this is a very popular and a very amazing technique to have. When everyone says it, they get amazing results in all areas of your life. But there are many more such techniques associated with Ho'oponopono sessions, and in this session which I am telling about, there is lot many other techniques in it involved, so that you can remove all the stuckness, obstacles, hurdles from your life emotionally and mentally, and be the best version of yourself to attract amazing things in your health, relationship, career, and money. So I have come up with paid sessions of Ho'oponopono, which has Ho'oponopono prayer that you see on my YouTube channel, and there are many more such techniques involved that will be there in the paid sessions. So if you are ready with it to join my Ho'oponopono sessions, I have given the WhatsApp link in the description box, in the description section, that you can be part of my WhatsApp group, and I will give you further details on how you can practice with me daily by investing half an hour to 45 minutes and be the best version, remove all the stuckness, hurdles from your life, and create a beautiful life, attract beautiful goals in a faster way. Instead of waiting many years, you can achieve this in a small period of time with practicing with me daily. And if you invest that time and money with me, I am sure that I can help you. We both can be accountable to each other, and let's have that amazing life for each other, and I will help you to achieve your goals faster. So this was one message that I wanted to tell you about my Ho'oponopono sessions, and the link that is given in the description box. And secondly, this month is the last month of our beautiful 2024, and this was an amazing year for many of you. Many of you were not having that good things in their life in 2024, but whatever it is, we need to practice gratitude things in our life for this month, so that in the next 2025 we are prepared for a better version of ourselves, attract more beautiful things, gain lots of profits, amazing things, and have a happy life in 2025. So to begin the next year, we should feel gratitude towards this year end. So today I'm going to give you from today I'm starting a 21 days gratitude challenge, so that we can complete this gratitude challenge before the month ends, and we can have all the gratitudes for all areas of our life. So today being the first day, I want to ask you or tell you that please give your gratitude. The first challenge of this day is pay gratitude to your parents first. So parents are the one who are source, from the source that from we are born from them. So let's pay a beautiful gratitude, minimum 11 times. You can go up to 21 times. Pay this gratitude towards them, say thank you to them 11 times minimum, and with care, with love, with that feeling when you say towards them, I'm sure you will have magical things happening in your life. So this was the day one challenge, that you pay gratitude, be thankful to your parents, write 11 times minimum anything that you wish, why you should be grateful to your parents, what is there that has made beautiful life that you have got because of your parents. So write down all the beautiful things 11 times. You can write in my comment section what have you written, so that I can check, and I can also include whatever points that I am missing in my gratitude challenge. So with that, I want to end this video, and hope to see you in Ho'oponopono sessions, and also pay the gratitude challenge, and make our lives beautiful. So with that, thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.